Treston's rich history can be traced back over 140 years to a single man and his family business. In 1876, Gabriel Wilhelm Solberg set up a small sheet metal workshop and store in Helsinki, Finland, manufacturing tin roofing. Nearly every building in the city had a GWS roof. The shop also produced furnaces, buckets, bathtubs, and milk jugs, all built by hand. With the help of an old steam engine, GW was able to transition the shop into factory-style production. After the death of G.W. Solberg in 1913, his son Ville took over the company. Tin roof manufacturing ceased. Tin packaging and metal office furniture became the main products. Soon after, the company was impacted by war and recession, but stayed afloat by Finnish Defense Forces orders. During World War I, GWS supplied the Russian army with hand grenades and helmets. In the aftermath of the war, with raw material and labor shortages, GWS struggled. The company looked to other materials such as wood, paper, and soon plastic. In the 1950s, GWS started using injection molding to make plastic containers and lids for their metal cans. Crown-style bottle caps were also developed. Production and the company soared. During this time, GWS introduced production of industrial furniture. A line of shop fixtures and home shelving was also developed in the 60s under the brand name Sovella. GWS's furniture division grew in the 1970s, producing items for stores and offices. Meanwhile, in Turku, Finnish grain milling company Vasamills established Treston, a subsidiary launched with the hopes of producing new and innovative products from plastic. Teaming up with designer Risto Matti Ratia, Treston developed a storage system called Palaset. Palaset used a few standard cube components to create a complete storage system, an idea Treston uses with today's workstation products. In 1973, GWS acquired Perlos, which supplied plastic components for the electronics industry, particularly mobile phone shells to Nokia. As electronics manufacturers were struggling with the problems of static electricity, GWS seized the opportunity and developed a range of ESD-safe benches they called GWS systems. Just as GWS was entering the ESD furniture market, Treston would soon do the same. After the 1970s oil crisis made Palaset storage too expensive to produce, Treston ventured into the ergonomic industrial furniture market by acquiring Finnish company Ergofin. Treston's plastics expertise and Ergofin's ergonomics expertise would be essential to the company's future success. A few years later, Vasamills merged with Finsugar, another leader in food production. This growth afforded Treston the ability to further expand their product range. During the rise of consumer electronics in the 1980s, Treston added anti-static bins, chairs, and workbenches to their product offering. Throughout the 1990s, Treston and GWS grew globally with locations in the UK, Sweden, Germany, France, Poland, and China, with GWS bringing the company as far as Kennesaw, Georgia in the US. In 1999, GWS Systems became a standalone company. In an effort to unify branding, all products were brought under the Sovella brand umbrella. In 2004, Sovella became the name of the company. Treston acquired Sovella Group in 2011, and together they launched the 3D Configurator. Shortly after, Sovella and Treston fully merged, with Sovella USA being the last subsidiary to adopt the Treston name in 2017. Over the course of Treston's long history, the company has partnered with innovative leaders whose products have shaped the world. Treston Workplace Solutions have helped companies build spacecraft and vehicles, develop weapons for defense, and create medical devices that heal injuries. So what's next for Treston? Well, in part, it depends on you. Contact us today and let's keep the conversation going, together. For the next 100 years, Treston, dedicated to human workspace.